Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. This is an updated video. If you remember, this is a completely rotted out window frame around here. We completely removed the window frame here. We reinstalled a whole new frame system, waterproofed it all, had to break open the stucco. So now this is being tied right into the stucco system here. What this started out as somebody put in a looks like a new construction window, or actually maybe even a retrofit, and you can see the stucco patch around it. The problem is they never really redid the flashing around the original window, and it all leaked, and the whole framing below the window was completely gone, had to be broken out, reframed. So doing windows properly and handling dry rot and structural repairs, that's what we specialize in doing. We also had the entire frame of the garage here that had to be redone, as well as the header up above. So all of that was completed. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another dry rot, structural repair, and waterproofing job. Thank you.